Houston's news leader. This is 13 Eyewitness News at 6.
It has been a long, difficult journey for a Kenyan boy who was viciously attacked by dogs. He is now facing a new beginning here in Houston. It is where doctors have begun the difficult task of reconstructing his face. Little Daniel Wachira is only 4 years old, but he has lived through enough pain and suffering to fill a lifetime.
The youngster underwent a grueling 12-hour-long surgical procedure at Memorial Hermann Children's Hospital to repair some of the damage caused by that attack. And now, as Eyewitness News reporter Christy Myers shows us, this little boy, who has captured the hearts of so many, is on the road to recovery.
Daniel Wachira waited for surgery. He had no idea he was the focus of telegrams and prayers. He simply wanted doctors to repair his broken face. Pediatric plastic surgeon Sean Boutros volunteered to do that.
Daniel will never look like he never had an injury, but we want to make it so where that Daniel doesn't look in the mirror every day and say my face is broken.
Boutros fell for Daniel's charm when his guardians, Larry and Francis Jones of Feed the Children, brought him to Houston.
Daniel's such a sweet, wonderful kid, and he exudes love.
At Children's Memorial Hermann Hospital, Daniel went to sleep. As surgeons conferred, they rolled him into the OR in a little wagon. Strangers ready to make right the wrongs he has suffered. Boutros removed the huge scar and worked on Daniel's jawbone, while microvascular surgeon Mike Miller used complex surgical techniques that they use on cancer patients at MD Anderson.
He will have scars on his face, but we tried to place the scars in places that are less obvious.
They took 25% of the skin from Daniel's back to cover his face. For Boutros, taking care of Daniel is a mission. He worked in the emergency room in New York during 9/11. Now he's come home to Houston.
You and I have known each other for a long time, and like I told you, I think maybe 5 years ago, taking care of children that have facial disfigurement is the reason why I became a plastic surgeon.
It's such a delight to do this type of procedure.
We just stand amazed and thankful that the team has been put together, and what an awesome team.
Larry and Francis Jones spent years looking for someone to do this difficult reconstruction surgery.
There's a remarkable difference already.
Daniel is in ICU and will be sedated for several days. He still has more surgery ahead, but the worst and longest surgery is over.
He has a gift, a powerful gift, and as Dr. Boutros says, you know, this is a child that's probably going to make a significant contribution to the world.
Christy Myers, 13 Eyewitness News.